Hello, Jimmy. Just started your Salesforce Admin Intermediate course. I followed you to the letter, followed you to the T exactly, in making the contacts for the lesson. And as you can see Margaret Kane here. But when I go to contacts, go to all contacts, I have no parents in contacts, no students, no swimming instructors, no swimming pool managers, nothing. I created all the contacts. I followed you to the T exactly, and I cannot bring up those contacts when I click in here. If you could help me in any way, I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey Anthony, so thanks for your question. Let's go to your contacts tab over here. Now, you have this list views, right? So this is it's created by Salesforce, but you can also create your own list views. It's called list views. So you can define your own list views, and then you can define what you want to see over here. So for example, let's create the student one for you. So I think I might have skipped when I was doing that on my tutorial videos. So this is how you do it. You click the gear icon over here. So list view controls. So you hit new over here. List view controls, hit new. So let's name this one students, right? Students. So who can see this list view? So if you are on a real organization where you have a lot of staff, you can define who can see this view. But for this, let's say only you can see it. So only I can see this list view, and hit save there. So this is basically still pulling everybody, right? It's just called students. Now we only want to show the students, right? So therefore, we want to filter what's being pulled over here. So right now it's pulling my contacts, but I want to add a filter. Let's say the record type of the contact. So it's going to be contact and then record type here. Contact record type equals here. Parent, student, swimming instructor, swimming pool manager. So you're going to choose student and hit done and save. Now you are pulling an actual student contacts only, but how can you see? It's just showing names, right? Where does it show that it's a student? So you want to show the contact record type name on this view. So how can you do that? You go to display columns, click on the gear icon again here, and then select fields to display. Now you choose, there's a bunch of fields that you want to display over here on the list view. So basically we want to bring in the contact record type over to the columns, so to the right. So it's going to be at the bottom, which is on the far right over here. Now let's bring it to the very far left. So I'm just going to hit the arrow button here, move selection up, and keep going up all the way. So it's going to be on the first column, and I'm going to hit save there. There you go, student, right? Now you can go ahead and create the parent and the swimming instructor and the swimming pool manager. Create a new one. So basically you keep changing the record type to parent and then swimming pool manager and swimming instructor, and you can create those more list views over here by clicking that and then new for the rest. Okay, thanks for your question and have a great weekend. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.